Hey friends, if you encounter this error that hardware problems were detected in memory diagnostic tool, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So one of the solution is to remove and reseat the RAM. But I'm telling you in most cases that won't help. Here's what you'll have to do. Go to amazon.com, hit enter. Wait. Okay. Or any website, you can go to Best Buy or any website and just search for RAM and hit enter and then buy a good RAM from here. I know it sounds weird, but this is the only solution. Basically, it means that you have lesser than required RAM on your computer and you will have to add more RAM. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.